Patna Devi Temple, a historic and divine landmark of Patna. Patna Devi, also known as Patneshwari Devi, is one of the most revered and ancient temples located in Patna, the capital city of Bihar. The shrine is widely regarded as one of the 51st Sakti Peeths sites where the various parts of goddess Sakti were believed to have fallen according to Hindu mythology. As such, Patna Devi hold immense religious, historical, and cultural significance for devotees not only from Bihar but also across the India. The temple is situated in the Chowk area of Patna city, one of the oldest and a culturally rich part of the region. It is commonly divided into two parts, Badi Patna Devi and Choti Patna Devi. Temples are dedicated to different manifestations of the goddess and together they form an important pilgrimage destination. Among this, Badi Patna Devi is considered the primary Sakti of Pitha, while the Choti Patna Devi is located nearby and is also highly revered. The origin of Patna Devi dates back to ancient time. Mythological accounts state that the right third of the goddess Sati fell at this location when the Lord Vishnu used his Sudarshan Chakra to dismember her body in order to stop Lord Shiva's immense grief-driven destruction. This event transformed this location into sacred Sakti Peeths. Local legends also connect the temple of Siti, ancient name Patliputra, implying that the place might have served as a spiritual foundation for the region's bygone civilization. Architecturally, the temples reflect the modest age spiritual church style. Unlike many grand temples of India, Patna Devi is known as a elaborate carving and monumental structure. Instead, it stands out for its powerful aura of devotion and its simplicity, which reflect the deep-rooted spiritual culture of Bihar. The ideal house and the temple are ancient and believed to possess a strong divine energy. Devotees visit in the temple to seek blessing for prosperity, protection, and peace. Throughout the year, the temple witnessed significant football. However, the most prominent celebration occurs during Navaratri, when thousands of worshippers gather to honor of goddess through ritual, offering hymns and cultural ceremonies. The festival transforms the temple into a vibrant center of devotion with beautifully decorated premises, special pujas, and a traditional musical performance. Other festivals like Durga Puja, Deepavali, and Chhat Puja also draw large crowds. Beyond its religious importance, Patna Devi contributes heavily to the cultural identity of Patna. It serves as a symbol of city's ancient heritage and a spiritual continuity. The temple area also supports local markets, small shop, and traditional food stall, reflecting the economic and social life surrounding the shrine. Last but not the least, Patna Devi is not merely a temple but also a historical landscape that connects the modern Patna to its mythological past. It represents centuries of faith, tradition, and cultural richness. Its spiritual atmosphere, mythological significance, and a role in a local life make it one of the most important religious destinations in Bihar. Visitors and devotees continue to regard Patna Devi as a sacred place where the divine presence of goddess is deeply felt and honored.